doing my trunk rotation like this on either side, and I'm going to use a foam roller just to support myself a little. So here I am in the half kneeling position. This is what we call the half kneeling position, when you are standing on one knee and the other foot is stuck out like this, the way I've shown here. Now I'm going to place my hand, not take too much support, but just place my hand a little bit, and I'm going to turn. Take a deep breath while turning out like this, and breathe out when I come back. Breathe in when I open up. Breathe out when I come back. Other side. So, breathe in, breathe out. You can do 5 to 10 repetitions on each side like this. Breathe in, breathe out. An exercise I do with young children on the mat without the foam roller, but I'm going to do this for adults to improve the mobility and the stretch in the entire hip complex and your lower back. So I have my one thigh, as you can see, on the foam roller, and I am just going to stretch. It's also called the pigeon pose in yoga. Come up and come up, come up. I can also move it like this and come up. Breathe out. Breathe in as I come up. Breathe out. And then on the other side, breathe in as I come up.